In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, you need to open your camera app, then move to video mode, and now tap on more icon. Here you will notice the settings, so smoothly open them, and here you need to locate video quality using front camera or video quality for back camera. So just pick the one in which you would like to change the resolution, and then pick the one that you want to apply. As you can see, right after you click, the new quality is applied. And this is it, then you can record in this new video quality. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.